Your dog is coughing, but nothing comes up? This herb fixes that. When mucus gets too thick and sticky, your dog's airways can't clear it. It's like sweeping cold molasses. Meet Mullein. MulleinLeaf is what I call the gentle broom for your dog's lungs. Mullein contains saponins that break the surface tension of thick mucus, making it fluid enough to move. But here's the genius part. It also contains mucilage that soothes while it cleans. So instead of a useless hacking cough, your dog can actually clear it out. Clean and soothe at the same time. That's herbal science. Follow 5-Leaf Pet Botanicals for Western herbal education specifically for dogs.